Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing about Perspective API by Jigsaw, which is an unit under Google, and I'm going to be telling you about this API as well as showing you how I used it in my open source project. So Perspective API uses machine learning to analyze and understand toxic comments, and you can take actions accordingly. It'll help you create bots for Discord or maybe create a healthier chat section for your website. Now let me show you how it works. If you scroll down the Perspective API website, you'll see this try it out section where you can try out the Perspective API. Let's type something that is likely to be flagged as toxic. So as you can see, it's 93.38% likely to be toxic. So you can use this API in your projects, and let me show you how I used it in my own project. So I'm going to open github.com, my profile, and then my project. So in case you didn't know, I have this project made named Pleasant Web, which is a smart browser extension that alerts user of unsuitable content online. It can detect both images and text. So let me show you the code. So I have the code in content.js. So let me just scroll down. So here we have the analyze and store data function where we analyze the content. So we have another function for that. So these are the attributes I used to determine whether a comment was to be flagged as toxic or something inappropriate or not. It may be toxicity, severe toxicity, identity attack, etc, 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 etc. So as we can see, we have this analyze content function for Perspective API, which takes the API key, and then it has the extension options variable, which takes the value of which factors to determine whether a message is inappropriate or not from the background.js or the backend kind of part of the Chrome extension. And then, so once it gets the requested attributes on which the inappropriateness is to be calculated, so then it sends a post request to the Perspective API with the requested attributes, and it gets the percentage of inappropriateness, and then according to the percentage, which is 0.7 over here, which is approx 70%. So when the score will be greater than 70%, the content will be inappropriate, and then if it's not, then it'll be false. So I've also added this line that if content.includes cute, then is content inappropriate will be false. It's because the cute keyword was having some problems with the API. Like the API was seeing this as something sexually explicit or something like that. So I had to add this manually. So if this keyword was there, then it should not be flagged. And then it works like that. So I'm also going to link down a few tutorials in the description on how you can set up Perspective API for your project, and then make sure to give it a try. It's completely free. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like, share a positive comment, and maybe share it out to multiple people. I'll meet you again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.